Alright, so I have a gift set to crack for the Odings, and let's get these little Crystal Canyon geodes put together. I hope they enjoy them. Let's get cracking. First we've got the two geodes, and now we've got this lovely little Oko geode. Fun fact, Oko is Portuguese for geode, so it's a geode. This dope little pendant. Very nice. Now, they did also buy a Moroccan geode as well, and I've got this lovely display piece. This one was a little bit bigger than the others, and I feel like it's time to part with it. So while I'm not cracking this one on camera, I will reveal this lovely display piece, which is dank in the best possible way. Look at those sparkles. Superb. Alright, so I was not given any specific gift instructions, so I'm going to give some timeless wisdom right now.
Oh, these cookies! Put that cookie down! Now!
Man, you just can't beat the classics. Let's get cracking. Alright. Okay, come on. Good crack. A little excess there, that's okay. Ooh. Was a fast one. When it actually started going, of course. Alright, and... Ooh. Okay. Very sparkly. Got just a little hint of color to it in spots. But, Come on now, focus in. There we go. Nice. Alright, let's see what the other one's got. I have a really good feeling about this one, so let's... Oh, I gotta be really gentle though. I feel like it's gonna have a big cavity. Big enough cavity. Heh. Alright. Ooh! Oh, perfect little star. Well, a nice little star. Oh, but look at that little color change in it. Really well-formed chalcedony, some little swirls in spots. Tons and tons of sparkles. That is nice. And a star only a mother could love, but I love it. I guess I'm a mother today. Look at that. Love the sparkles on this one. Super nice. But I'm feeling generous today, so we're going to crack a third one. Let's go! Maybe I just really wanted to crack another geode. Come on, focus in. We need you all nice and open for the big reveal. Ow! This was a semi-hollow. It's only got a little tiny big cavity. But you know what? It's a freebie, so there we are. I still like some of the sparkles on it, still like some of the color. Semi-hollows happen. Anyway, though, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Tremendously helps the channel. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you again so much, and have a good day.